Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are finally getting to one of those unboxings that I keep going on and on about. I told you I have a bunch of unboxings to do, and today we are going to take care of one of those. Am I going to be super duper late on this? Yes, I am. This will be probably the latest and last video of somebody unboxing what I'm going to unbox that you will see, I'm sure. I'm 100% sure about that. But I'm going to do it anyways. And am I eating my words by posting this? Yes, I am. But again, I'm gonna do it anyways. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, you definitely should. It's just the Katie Danger. I will leave it right here. I post every single day. I do lots of reels over there. I post outfit of the day pictures. I always have something in my story. So I'm very active over there. So if you like Instagram and you like luxury, you should definitely follow me over there. But if you do follow me, you will know exactly what I'm talking about when I say that I'm eating my words. There is pretty much only one bag that I have talked the most crap about. Without any further ado, if you guys want to see one of my newest Chanel bags, then let's just jump into it. But wait, you guys already know what I'm going to say. If you are not already subscribed, explain yourself. I do videos all about luxury. I do videos on shoes, handbags, jewelry. I'm kind of all over the place. If you like any of those things, this is the place to be. So you're gonna want to subscribe. I feel like you're gonna want to do that. And with that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising. People, let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down.
So I'm pretty sure you guys are screaming at me through the screen right now. Like I'm positive that you are, because I talk so much crap about this bag, okay? You guys know I have made reels with an S, like several reels. I have made stories. I went in on this bag and I bought it anyways. So this is the Chanel 22S mini heart bag. This is actually technically like the heart on, what is it called? Heart clutch on chain. I think that's what it's called. It's the smaller size of the two. And this is in the purple shade. And I am so excited to finally wear this, okay? When I first saw pictures of it, I was just so uninterested. Like, not even uninterested. I was actively angry that it was releasing, okay? I don't tend to like heart-shaped anything. I kept seeing it, and I kept seeing it, and I kept seeing it, and it was growing on me. Most of the colors were not very interesting to me. I didn't want a blue, I didn't want a gold, I didn't want a white, I didn't want a pink also. I really did not like the pink heart bag. And I didn't want a black. So really the only color that I could have gotten was this purple. I don't really love purple handbags in general. I'm not super drawn to purple as a color, I think. But I honestly think this is the perfect purple. Like, I don't think there is a better purple out there. I know Chanel's like lilac that came out a few seasons ago. It came out in that cocoa handle and the mini rectangle. You know exactly what I'm talking about. That was super sought after, super hard to get, and everybody was like obsessed with that color. I did not like the color at all. I felt like that color was so cool toned, and I didn't feel like it would have went with many things. This is like the perfect, it's like not pastel, and it's not cool tone, it's not too warm, it's not too dark, it's not too like vibrant. I just feel like this is the perfect purple. I did not like the bigger size of this. I did not like it. I felt like it didn't even look like a heart. It looked like it was almost a ball. So this is what I did. And I know it's super tiny, and I know not that much fits in here, but that's okay because this is a heart-shaped bag. Like, I'm not looking for practicality here. It is a bag shaped like a heart, okay? As somebody who is into Chanel, seeing the heart bag, originally I was not into it. And a heart-shaped bag is still not my thing. Like, I would never buy another one. I mean, I say that now, but who really knows what I'm gonna do? I don't even know what I'm gonna do. But I just felt like I needed to own it. And I'm really, honestly, super happy that I have it. So I did end up going through a reseller or consignment shop. I think it's really more of a consignment shop, which is Coco approved, which I have gone through them for several other bags in the past. One that I actually haven't even shared with you yet, so that unboxing is coming soon. But one that I can say that you have seen is my, why do I always do this? It's on this side. My gray trendy, I actually bought this through Coco, well, Elver actually bought it for me through Coco Approved. So this was the first time that I used them, and it was the most seamless transaction of my entire life. Okay, it was such a good experience. So when I saw this come up on their website, I was like, you know, I already know that they're amazing. It was over retail, of course, because you cannot get this bag at retail at this moment. I mean, if you do, like, honestly, how? Explain yourself. But honestly, for what I have seen this go for, if you look on Fashion File, the prices for this heart bag are psychotic. They are psychotic. So I'm not that mad about the price that I paid. So I am really happy with this. I'm so happy, and I cannot wait to wear this. You guys have no freaking idea. So that is it for this unboxing. Let me know, what are your thoughts on the Chanel heart bag? I know it was like a very divided, or at least it was a very like divisive conversation. Some people really loved it. Some people really hated it. Apparently I did both. So I'm just curious to know what you guys thought about it. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I post every single day over there. And that is all that I have to say. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, don't worry. I'm coming outside right now and we're going to see what's going on. We are going to see what is going on.